Good morning friends. Now today we will start our fourth lesson, multiplication. Now see your page number 48. Exercise 4a. Now in second standard you have learned already about one digit multiplication. So we have to do here just revision of that one digit multiplication. Now see your page number 48. We will solve one by one all the examples. 6 multiplied by 3. 6 3s are 18. So you write down here 18. Now see second example. 8 multiplied by 4. 8 4s are 32. Now see third example. 9 multiplied by 2. 9 2s are 18. Now see fourth example. 7 multiplied by 2. 7 2s are 14. Now see fifth example. 6 multiplied by 2. 6 2s are 12. Now see sixth example. 9 multiplied by 4. 9 4s are 36. Now see seventh example. 5 multiplied by 4. 5 4s are 20. Now see eighth example. 6 multiplied by 5. 6 5s are 30. Now see ninth example. 8 multiplied by 5. 8 5s are 40. So you write down here 40. Now see 10th example. 7 multiplied by 5. 7 5s are 35. Now see 11th example. 4 multiplied by 4. 4 4s are 16. Now see 12th example. 8 multiplied by 3. 8 3s are 24. So you write down in your textbook. Now see B question. Write the multiplication fact for the repeated addition. See, multiplication means what? Repeated addition. If we add one number so many times, for example, first example we will see 4 plus 4 plus 4. Now see 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Okay, so what is our answer? 12. Now see here, if we write like this, 3 times 4, 3 times if we write 4, what is our answer? 3 multiplied by 4 equal to 12. Means if we add like this or if we multiply like this, our answer will be the same. So we can say that multiplication is nothing but the repeated addition. Okay, so how to solve this example? See first example, 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many times 4 number is there? 3 times. So we have to write down how many times that number is written. That number we have to write down first and then multiply by that number. So 3 times this 4 number is written here. So we have to write first here 3 and then multiply by this number. This number means this number is 4. So 3 multiplied by 4. So like this we have to solve all these examples. So now see question number 2. 6 plus 6 plus 6. So how many times 6 is given? Only 3 times. So you write down first 3. And then what you will write here? Which number is given for 3 times? 6. So you write down here 6. Okay. We no need to write answer. For example, 6 3s are 18. No need to write the answer. Only just write down this, fill in the blanks. Okay. Now see third example. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So how many times 6 is given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first you write down 5. 5 times 6 is given. Now which number is this? 6. Then you write down here 6. Okay. Now see fourth example. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. How many times 3 is given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So you have to write down first 6 and then write down this number 3. So 6 multiplied by 3. Okay. Now see next example. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. How many times 8 is given? 1, 2, 3, 4, first write down 5 and then you write down this number 8. Okay. Now see next example. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. How many times 9 is given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. So you first write down 5, then you write down this 9 number. Okay. Now see 7th example. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. How many times 5 is given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. So you write down for 6 and then write down this number, that is 5. Now see 8th question. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. How many times 7 is given? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. So you first write down 4 and then write down 7. Okay. Now see last example. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. How many times 8 is given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. So you first write down 7 and then you write down 8. Okay. So be careful when you are writing all these answers. Now see question. Fill in the blanks. First question. 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25. Just write down the answer here. Now see second question. Dash multiplied by 6 equal to 30. So in the table of 6, 30 number is there? Yes, in the table of 6, 30 number is there. 6 multiplied by which number? We will get 30 number. 6 5s are 30. So you write down here 5. So to solve all this example, you should know all the tables properly. Then only you can solve these examples. Now see third example. 6 multiplied by 3. 6 3s are 18. Now see fourth example. Dash multiplied by 3 equal to 21. So in the table of 3, 21 number is there? Yes. So 3 multiplied by which number equal to 21? 3 7s are. So we will write here 7. 7 multiplied by 3. 7 3s are 21 or 3 7s are 21. Now see fifth example. Dash multiplied by 10 equal to 30. So in the table of 10, 30 number is there. So which number multiplied by 10? We will get 30 answer. 10 3s are 30. So we have to write here 3. Now see sixth example. 7 multiplied by 5. 7 5s are 35. Very simple. Now see seventh example. Dash multiplied by 7 equal to 28. So in the table of 7, 28 is there. How many is that? 7 multiplied by 4. 7 4s are 28. So you write down here 4. Now see 8th question. Dash multiplied by 6 equal to 54. In the table of 6, 54 number is there. How many is that? 6 9s are. So you write down here 9. 9 6 are 54. Now see 9th example. 10 multiplied by dash equal to 10. So in the table of 10, 10 number is there. How many is that? 1s are. 10 1s are 10. So you write down 1 there. Now see 10th example. 3 multiplied by dash equal to 24. So in the table of 3, 24 number is there. But when 3 8s are. So we have to write here 8. So in this way you complete these answers. Now see D question. Complete the multiplication tables from 2 to 5. We have to write down the tables here. 2 1s are 2. That is already given in your textbook. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Now from here we have to write down the answers. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. Okay. Now see table of 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30. Now see table of 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. 4 10s are 40. Now see table of 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6s are 30. 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. 5 10s are 50. Okay, so in this way you have to complete these tables. Now see your page number 50. What is given here? See, boxes are, so many boxes are given here. In each boxes 6 dots are there. So you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6. In one box 6 dots are given. See here, one box is given, 2 box, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10. So you can count here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 boxes are given here and you have to write down here answers. So in this way we have to complete table of 6. So we will see one by one. 1 multiplied by 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6s are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. 6 10s are 60. So you write down all these answers correctly. Now see page number 51, exercise 4C. Let us now count the dots and get the table of 7. Now see in this box 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many dots are given? 7 dots are given. So 1 2 1 box, 2 box, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 1 to 10 boxes are given. In each box how many dots are given? 7. Okay, so in this way we have to complete table of 7. So we will solve now table of 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. Now 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 7 10s are 70. Okay, so in this way you have to complete this table. Now see page number 52, exercise 4D. Now see in one box how many dots are given? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So in one box 8 dots are given. So see here, 1 box, 2 box, 3 boxes, then 4 boxes, 5 6 7 8 9 10. From 1 to 10 boxes are given. So we have to write down table of 8. So we will write it. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6 48. 8 7 56. 8 8 64. 8 9 72. 8 10 80. So we complete these answers. Now see exercise 4E, page number 53. Let us now count the dots and get the table of 9. Now see, in one box, how many dots are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In one box, 9 dots are given. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 boxes are given. So we have to write down here table of 9. Okay, so write down. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are, now see, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are, how much you tell me? 54. 9 7s are 63. 9 8s are 72. 9 9s are 81. 9 10s are 90. So now see exercise 4F. Let us now count the dots and get the table of 10. See your page number 54. Now in one box, how many dots are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In one box, 10 dots are given. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 boxes are given. So we have to complete table of 10. Okay. 10 1s are 10. 10 2s are 20. 10 3s are 30. 10 4s are 40. 10 5s are 50. 10 6s are 60. 10 7s are 70. 10 8s are 80. 10 9s are 90. 10 10s are 100.